Welcome to The Bridge, a free learning tool that lets you create a Greek or Latin vocabulary list with just the words you need. This tutorial will show you how to create a list that excludes words from other works, that is, words you've already encountered and that hopefully you already know. I'll demonstrate the process with a Latin text, but everything you see also works for Greek. Let's begin. Begin by selecting your language, then identify your target text. Let's read some Catullus today. Click Add Work, and let's see the vocabulary for just the first poem of Catullus. If we click Create Now, we'll see the vocabulary for this entire poem. Let's do that. And here it is, 46 words. But of course, we already know some words. So let's go back and create a list with just the words we need. Select Catullus 1, then move to the next pane, Exclude or Match Words. Exclude will create a list with the words that appear in readings you selected above, but will exclude those words you've already encountered. You add these works just as you did above. Let's say we start our Latin with Wheelock's Latin. And we've already read the AP selections of Caesar and the AP selections of Virgil too. Now, we could exclude all the words from all of these works, but if I'm being honest, the last two chapters of my textbook are a little bit hazy, so let's only exclude words up to chapter 38. Once you've made your selections, click Create. The Bridge creates your customized list, and now you've identified the 14 words yet you haven't encountered. Pretty manageable. Okay, here's your list. Happy reading.